So today I would love to share with you this awesome Merax luggage set. Guys, this is an 8-piece set that it comes with everything you need for a long trip. So the two larger luggages, these are 28 inches and 24 inches. They are expandable. Then you have this one right here, which is the 20-inch in size, and you have a smaller one of 16 inches. In addition to that, you will find that it comes with 4 of these packing cubes for you to organize all of your clothes, your toiletries, your underwears, and more. So guys, these amazing luggages are made with a hard shell ABS type of material, super high quality. It is wear resistant, super durable. One of the things I really like about these luggages is that they are super lightweight. That way, guys, you won't have to worry when you pack and reach the limit of weight. Now, this awesome product comes with 8 wheels. So each one of the wheels is dual. They are super silent, and of course, they can be rotated in 360 degrees. The handle is adjustable in height, as you can see, which is really nice. And to make it even better, guys, this product comes with a TSA lock. Super easy to set up, and with that, you rest assured that all of your belongings will be secure. Now, the zipper, it's really good quality, nice and smooth. I'm gonna be opening it up to show you the interior. Now, take a look at this beauty. The interior, it's lined up with this awesome fabric, super soft. You have 2 main compartments. One of them is secure by a zipper, as you can see, and it even comes with a mesh pocket on the side, so you can place some items in there, usually the underwears, your socks, and more. On the other side, it comes with this elastic strap that you can go ahead and buckle up to secure your belongings on the other side. Guys, these are super good quality. I love the design. As you can see, they come in this beautiful brown color, and you have, again, everything you need for a long trip. And I love the fact as well that it comes with these cubing packs. Super good quality also. They even come with a handle with a mesh, portion right here to provide breathability. It even has like a clear window so you can see the belongings you have inside. So I really hope you will enjoy, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.